In this video, we're going to focus on how we can increase the size of our labels, give it a color, and make it bold in a radar chart in chart.js 4. So to do this, the first thing what we want to do is get our border template, which you can find here in chartjs3.com getting started. Once you're on here, copy this chunk of code and you're good to go. Next, if you want to have the source code of this video and many others, check out my Patreon page. And of course, got a question, put it on Discord. So let's convert this first into a radar chart because that is what we want to have. So we're going to work here with the radar. So we say here the type will be radar. Once I do this, you can see we still have the Y scale here because we have this item here. We can remove this, or we're going to work with the radial scale, which is a part of the radar chart. And that's what we need anyway. So I'll just put in here an R instead of the Y. And now we have only these items. If I want to change here the font color, or even, no, not even specifically, make it bold, how do we do this? Well, we're going to here, we say here point labels. That's the one that we're going to adjust or pinpoint. And then we can say a color, and let's put in here red. If I save this, refresh, now they're all red. So what we want to do more is, for example, I want to increase the font weight. How can we do this? We can say here font, we're going to specify the font, and within the font we can say two parts or two things, the weight, and you could do here normal, light, or bold and bolder. So let's put in bolder to make it more bold. There we are. And if you want to have the size of the font increased, we can also say here size and put in here 20 pixels. Save that, refresh, and now we have big bolded colored red point labels. And that's it.